Now, its groundbreaking research has changed lives all over the world. But now Bristol's Children of the 90s project is to help more generations to come. Since 1991, the study has followed the health and development of more than 14,000 mums and their children. Well, now it's been given more than £5 million to continue work for another 5 years. Pam Caulfield has been finding out what difference the money will make.
Information collected by the Children of the 90s has contributed to more than 3,000 medical papers. Being able to track the health of the original mothers who signed up, their children and grandchildren, has given researchers unprecedented insight into all sorts of conditions. This £5.2 million grant allows them to keep going.
So strangely enough, the funding for our next 5 years sounds like a lot of money, but it's a drop in the ocean in terms of the resources that are generated because of Children of the 90s. Routinely, we have researchers coming from all over the world using the resource and building on it to do their own research. And actually, the resources they generate far eclipse anything that we earn locally.
One of their biggest pieces of research has been into lung disease, the third leading cause of death in the UK. More than 6,500 participants took part in its most recent clinic, and there have been some significant findings so far.
So actually, we can see that lung function problems and lung health problems start much earlier in life, much earlier than we thought. And we've been measuring lung function in children in the 90s since the age of 8. There are certain things that we hadn't expected. So early life factors like poorly controlled asthma, premature birth, exposure to air pollution all affect your risk of developing lung problems.
Over the years, Melissa Davis has been involved in numerous studies.
I had Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is a type of cancer, when I was 12 years old, and again when I was 27. And then just as a result of that, some of the treatments have left with some underlying lung and heart defaults.
The medical data she's volunteered has created more understanding of the condition.
I think you can really relate to it then when you know that, some of the information you've provided has gone into sort of making those breakthroughs really and the outcomes for other people.
And it's hoped the research generated will benefit many more generations to come. Pam Caulfield, BBC Points West, Bristol.